So today we're going to talk about how to keep track of inventory. And when someone adds a property to their cart and purchases that property, it's not like you're going to have another property in stock. That you're not going to have the same property in stock. So I'm going to show you how to set that inventory to 1 to where when the customer purchases that property, it'll disappear from your available listings on your store. So to do that, you're going to have to go to um, you're going to have to go to the backend. So let's see, /admin. After that, you're going to go to the products. That will contain all the property listings. Let's say you wanted to change this one in Arizona. You would set that value to 1, and then you would select this drop down and select Shopify tracks this product's inventory. After you do that, you set the quantity to 1, or it's just set like that by default, actually, now that I think about it. And then make sure this allow customers to purchase this product when it's out of stock is unchecked. It's not checked. And then you click save. And that's all.